What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Alejandro, and in this channel we talk about personal finance, investing, and all things money. In today's video we're going to be talking about secured credit cards and what they are and how they work. Make sure you stick to the end of the video. I'm going to mention two secured credit cards that you can look into getting if you need to get a secured credit card. A secured credit card is pretty much the same thing as a regular credit card. The key differences here is they're more targeted for people with like no credit, little bit of credit, and maybe even if you've been bankrupt before, they helps with building up your credit. So you can go from 0 to 700 real quick. Second key difference between a secured credit card and a regular credit card is you have to make an initial deposit when you apply for a secured credit card, which is used as a collateral. This initial deposit is required to reduce risk to the credit card issuer. The collateral is there also as, like, again, it's to reduce risk to the lender, to the card issuer. And the way that works is, if let's say at the end of the month you don't pay your bill for that credit card, then they would use that money that's in the deposit to cover the expenses of that credit card. So it uses your cash to cover the bill for that month. So let's say, for example, your initial deposit when you apply to this secure credit card is $200. Then when you get approved for that credit card, your credit limit's only going to be $200. Secure credit cards, they're pretty much the same like regular credit cards. So everything that you do with the regular credit card, like going out to dinner, buying something online, paying your bill monthly, all those rules are still there. The only difference, like I said, is just that you have to leave a collateral to get this credit card. So again, it's there to help people who have a low credit score be able to get approved for a credit score, because your cash, like I said, it's a safe haven for the bank or the lender to give you that credit card. Another way that these cards are similar are that they incur interest. So, try to pay your full bill by the end of the month. That way you don't get charged any interest, because they'll still charge you interest. My recommendation for when you do open one of these credit cards is not to put so much money into these credit cards. Again, they're just to build credit. So I would suggest something like $1,000, because again, that money is stuck. You can't do anything with it, and you don't want to put $4,000 or something like that into a secure credit card, because then your credit card or your cash is not going to be earning any interest as like if you had it in a savings account. So again, it's just to build credit. Put something small. $1,000 is fine. So let's use the $1,000 as an example. Remember in my last video I talked about credit scores and credit utilization ratio. So again, this rule applies to secured credit cards. So again, real quick, let's say you have $1,000 in your secured credit card. That doesn't mean you can spend $1,000. The card has a limit of $1,000, so you can only spend up to $200 before it starts really hurting your credit score. Alright, so now I'm going to mention the two secured credit cards that you can get. Okay, so alright, here we got Discover card. It's called Discover It Secured. This one was my favorite one because there's no annual fee. Always, no matter what credit card you get, always make sure it doesn't have an annual fee. We're going to talk about that in the next card as well. So it's a real credit card, right? It says right there, minimum deposit $200. Let's see, you earn 2% cash back. No other card, I didn't see any other secured credit card that gives you 2% cash back. So it gives you 2% at gas stations, restaurants, and then unlimited 1% cash back in all other purchases. That's super awesome. Okay, first year offer. After you earn, we match. So basically, if you got $100 cash back, at the end of the year they'll match you another $100. So you're gonna get an extra $100 cash back. That's super awesome for a secure credit card. Again, no annual fee. Does have a high interest rate, but again, you're not supposed to ever carry a balance. Just remember that. Always pay your credit card in full by the end of the month. You get a free FICO score. That's super awesome. I would love to get this credit card. I would definitely recommend this credit card to anybody who needs to fix their credit. or needs to just start their credit. Definitely recommend it. Okay, so secured credit card number 2. It's from this company called Open Sky. They're backed by Capital Bank, and I like this credit card because this credit card is for anybody. Getting approved with this credit card is the easiest one. The only downside to this credit card is there is a $35 annual fee. I know I say don't pay no annual fees, but you can look at this card as an investment towards your future. You need good credit to get a house, get a car, and stuff like that. So this is going to help build credit. You know, do it for 1 year, and then you can cancel the card and then upgrade to an unsecured credit card. Okay, so real quick, we're just going to hit apply now, and I'm going to show you how simple it is to get this credit card. Okay, so you just go through the list. There's 5 steps. That's it. You go personal info, name, email, address, phone number. Right here, financial stuff, just your annual income, house payment, if you rent, own, social security, date of birth, the agreement, you know, terms and conditions that you're waiving, your just the terms and conditions. And then your security deposit. So right here you put how much you're gonna deposit to open the account. You know, again, you put $200, you're gonna have a $200 credit limit. So yeah, you put the amount, and then right here you're gonna put the, like if you have a debit card, you'll put that information right here where it says first name, last name, card number, CVV, expiration date. See, debit cards accepted, and then you just submit it, and then you'll be instantly approved for a secure credit card. Again, there should be no reason why you shouldn't be able to get that Discover card, but if you don't, this is another alternate option. There is other secure credit cards out there that are no annual fee, so you can look at those too, but I really like these two. Okay, so to wrap up this video, going over the basics again. A secure credit card is meant for people with no credit history or messed up credit. They're just like regular credit cards. Pay them on time. Watch your credit utilization. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So fix your credit if it's bad because you need it for the future. Just throwing out those options. Again, try to get that that Discover card. That one's the best one with the cashback. But yeah, that concludes this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe and all that good stuff. And until next time, let's get this money.